Hello, welcome to day 22 of our 28-day Raise Your Vibration Challenge. I hope this challenge has been supportive for you and been enlightening for you, that you've been able to raise your vibration. Keep it up, or if you feel yourself falling low, try some of the strategies and bring yourself back up. For day 23, today's strategy is sound bath, bowls, or tuning forks. I hope you can hear the tuning bowls in the background. I also have my own. We'll listen to it a little longer. Quantum physics tells us that our cells are made up of vibrating energy brought together by magnetic forces. So simply put, a sound bath is a form of therapy achieved through the emissions of rhythms, tones, vibrations, and frequencies. It's a meditative experience meant to guide your mind into a state of deep relaxation where restoration and healing may occur. Sound baths help you to relax, refresh, and recharge, improving your overall wellness and improving your internal vibration and magnetic forces in your cells. Sound baths, bowls, and tuning forks. Let's take a quick listen. I'll show you some of mine. Let's see. This is one of my favorites. My very first bowl. Matter of fact, it's Om. I use the sound to cleanse all around my head. And my most recent addition, I graduated up. I have some new ones. Here's my larger bowl, and let's give her a listen as well. 1 second, let's give her a listen. Isn't she wonderful? I love my newest bowl. That's my new addition. So again, sound bowls, baths, and tuning forks. Give it a try. Day 22. See you soon. Peace.